That is paw prints, fresh, going right underneath my tarp. Well, guys, welcome back for another adventure. We're out here at Bear Lake. Last year we did a similar trip. This year we're much more prepared. And we are staying here for 2 nights, 3 days. Hike was perfect, beautiful weather. It was warm, but we still had that nice, winter walk. Really enjoyed it. Right now we're setting up camp. I'm having a little coffee. Gonna enjoy myself some Texas mesquite chicken salad. Real excited about that. And yeah, thanks for joining me. I'm still drinking my coffee. These guys are setting up still a little bit. So Josh is over here setting up. There's the pooper. Here's me, tucked up in there, nice. And then there's a lean-to right behind us. Tim's over there because he snores, so we are trying to stay away from him. And down there is that beautiful lake. Somebody came through and cut up a bunch of trees. We had already grabbed some, and we just noticed it wasn't locked. There's just a ton of cut up trees. Alright, it's getting dark, but we have been busy splitting. We got a nice backer right here, so those logs will back, build the fire here. We got this stuff here. We've got more to chop. We got lots of wood. That thing's pretty cool. Great job, Josh.
Yeah. The broken clocks right a couple times a day.
I don't know, that thing's pretty bomb-proof right there. That's sweet, man. So that was a hanger steak, a little surf and turf dinner. Really enjoyed it. Had some to share. And we're going to enjoy this fire. Sit back, maybe listen to a little bit of an audiobook, and then head to bed. See you in the morning. Oh man, good morning guys. So, just waiting on my coffee to get going here. Man, what a nice night. Had a fire go all night long. Still going right now. More or less just smoking, not really a fire at this point, but it's hot. So yeah, the coyotes were going crazy all night, just yipping and hollering. Pretty sure on where all those rocks were, when we were hiking in, I think I filmed some of them. I think in all that boulders and rock faces and stuff, there's all these crevices where they can have all the pups. Well, I think that's Tim getting up. Josh is still over there sleeping. Him and I actually stayed up pretty late. I stayed up the latest. Slept real good. Slept peaceful. Not a cold spot on me all night. I think I woke up 3 or 4 times to go to the bathroom though. Pro tip, if you want to sleep warm in cold conditions, if you've got to go to the bathroom, you need to get up and go immediately. Your bladder and all that water that's in there, all your pee, needs to be warmed by your body in order for the rest of your body to be warmed. So if you pee all that out and you go to bed without anything in your bladder, your body doesn't have to work as hard to keep you warm. So we're going to go check out Woodhull Lake. It's like 2.5 miles from here, so it'll be about a 5-mile day.
So I put a logbook entry in. Logbook entry number 1109. Star date. Tonight's here and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Just enough snow to make the trip worthwhile. W-E-I-L.
Couple extra crunchies in there.
Yeah.
Eggs are supposed to be gray where you're camping.
Huh?
Eggs are supposed to be gray when you're camping.
Yeah. Alright, we're packing up. Still letting a couple more logs we went and grabbed. Get those going. Hopefully they'll dry out while we're gone. But we're going to hike. Everybody's ready to go for the most part. Yeah. Let's go. Well, we're following this this trail. It's actually pretty nice. You gotta watch your footing a little bit, but you just follow this babbling brook. Just the sound of the water is real nice. There's really nothing else making much of a sound out here, except for me talking, and Josh and Tim back there. So, nice little walk. Real peaceful back here. The weather's just perfect for it right now. It's supposed to rain tonight, but we'll be good. Hopefully all the way there and back. Well, we're making the bend here. That sign right there says lean to. That's all the signs for everything else, but we're heading this way. Go check out the lean to. Finally made it. What do you guys think?
Good hike.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah, this lean-to is huge. You can definitely fit a lot of people in here. And the that's where you can have your fire directly in front of the lean-to. But keep in mind, the wind's coming this way, so you could get crushed by that. I mean, just smoked right out of the lean-to. But it is nice. Walk felt longer than 2.5 miles, but it felt longer because of the snow. You do have to work a little bit harder in the wintertime to hike anywhere, but weather's nice. We got to beat the rain back to our place, our camp. So we're going to hang out here for a little bit, have a little lunch, and then get to hiking back. Well, we got back to camp. Nice hike back, but we did get a little spooked by a rather large paw. I noticed on the way back that it was overlapping our tracks, which means it was fresh today. Followed the tracks, literally followed all the way back to, well, where you can get water down there. What'd you guys find over here?
Right under your tarp.
Really?
Yeah. Not
Let me see. So that is paw prints, fresh, going right underneath my tarp. That's where I'm sleeping, and that's the print. Alright, we decided to stay after consulting with Weil and with the professionals. Apparently Eric Normack told Grayson that we'd be fine. So
He gave him a big thumbs up.
he gave him a thumbs up, so that's good. So yeah, we're just making more of a fire back here, and we're expecting rain. We're hoping for not rain, but hope that the whatever it was doesn't come back to sniff me out again, because he was right underneath my hammock. It's gonna be great. I'm real excited about it. Flame on, Grayson! Tootsies are nice and warm. Yeah. Yeah.
She's a fighter.
Yeah, the fire actually stayed all night long, and it rained. Downpoured last night, on and off all night, and the fire just would not quit. So that is an awesome fire. So yeah, last night we we all sat by the fire. Again, the same type of deal with all these logs and stuff that we just found out here. Yeah, after that, skies were pretty good all the way up until I felt like going to bed at, I don't know, I think I went to bed pretty early though. Good news, I didn't get eaten by wolves or coyotes, so that was nice. Yeah, we're going to clean up, got to get the bear bags, get a little coffee in us, and then we're just going to hike out. None of us are really feeling like having a big linger this morning. Just ready to kind of hike through the woods, get out of here before the rain really hits, because I think it's going to hit again The forecast was saying by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock today it was going to hit. So we figure if we get out of here by 9, might be able to miss it all. We'll see.